Hi, this is Mike Wilcox, the Pickled Mayor. We're doing another non-pickle taste test. This time, we're using this Boulder Canyon Grillo's Pickles dill pickle potato chips that I found at Costco. Now, I get the non-pickled flavor all the time, and they're really good. They're pretty good for you too, since they're made with avocado oil. But we're gonna try the Grillo's pickles flavored. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Grillo's pickles Boulder Canyon from Costco. These are pretty good. Very heavy on the pickle flavor. And Grillo's pickles are great. So, these are good. Tasty. I just thought of this, but with like some ranch dip, oh, it'd be fantastic. So, once again, please like, share, and follow. Send this to a few friends that love pickles. Next time they're at Costco, you can pick these up. Thanks.